Okay, last dip the circuits which I have given, is it possible for you to solve? Did you try it for that?
Yes, sir.
So did you found the waveform, output waveform?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, any doubt with those circuits? You can ask. Anyone? Any doubt? Okay, then I'll skip to yes.
Sir,
Yeah, tell me.
negative and negative clipping both together.
हाँ, negative clipping.
सर पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव क्लिपिंग सर दोनों आ जा रहा है।
किसमें?
सेकेंड वाला।
सेकंड वाला सर्किट में। ओके, it is off, right? Because this Vs making this diode on even if the forward bias has been given for the Vi, right? So to have the output in the first half, that is in the positive half, we need to overcome this Vs, because this Vs making this diode off. So when this Vi will be greater than Vs, then only our diode will be in the on state, right? And for the negative half, it is completely switched off, right? For the negative half. For the positive half, up to Vs, there will be no output. When our Vi will be greater than Vs, then only we will be having our output. Are you getting that?
Yes, sir.
Anyone having any doubt on this? Third one. Third one, making this diode, this Vs off, right? So for the positive half, if we have been going with the positive half, then our output will be 0, right? For this third one.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, here we consider diode as ideal diode, sir.
You can consider practical diode also, then V gamma will come into picture. Then you need to consider this V gamma over here. So just use the KVL and try to find out what is this V in, for which our V in will be needs to be greater than this V gamma. That is what the condition. That is Vi should be greater than this value to make our diode on.
Yes, sir.
अगर हम लोग प्रैक्टिकल डायोड लेंगे तो फिर वहाँ पे V गामा आ जाएगा, तो उसका डायरेक्शन की पोलरिटी के हिसाब से हम लोग को उसको आइदर डिडक्ट करना आइदर ऐड करना है। लेकिन यहाँ पे देखो माइनस प्लस, तो इस जगह पे ये ऐड हो जाएगा, हालांकि यहाँ पे ये डिडक्ट हो जाएगा। बस यही सिंपली हमें देखना है, राइट?
ओके सर।
फॉर द फोर्थ वन, this one, so I'm just taking the waveform. Okay, one by one I'm just I'm not doing the analysis, I'm only taking the output waveform. Okay, so let us go with this circuit number 2. It is having, okay, like this. Then our diode, we are having our load. This is our this is our V in, it is Vs. So we need to consider when our diode will be on, right? So if we take, this is the input, so what will be the output corresponding to this input? Right? So this is our Vs. Vs is making our diode off, right? Vs is making our diode off. So in the positive half, when this Vi will be greater than Vs, so for this part our cumulative voltage will become positive. For this part our cumulative voltage will become positive, which will be applying through this diode and making this diode on. So we will have the output when our diode will be on. So the diode will be on for the voltage which is applied across this diode, that is Vi minus Vs. Vi minus Vs. So if we consider it is 5 volt, it is 2 volt. So our output will be there from 3 volt. So if we consider this is the 2 volt, this level is 2 volt, let us consider this is our DC level Vs, this is the level of Vs. So our output will be after Vs, so like this, from this only. So this part it will be 0, then it will start from this Vs, like this, sorry, not like this, here it is 0, 0, like this. So this is the Vs level, this is the Vs level. So after Vs we will be having our output, after Vs, nothing before that. And what will be for the negative half? So if we consider the negative half, this Vs is making this diode off. So again if some negative voltage came, so again this diode will remain off only. So nothing will be there in the negative half, 0. So same way it will go, like this, 0, then like this, again 0. Like this. So this is the Vs level. Beyond Vs only our diode will on and we will have our output. Now let us consider another one, the third one.
सर,
Yes.
सर इसको पॉजिटिव क्लिपिंग बोलेंगे या नेगेटिव क्लिपिंग सर? क्योंकि यहाँ तो दोनों हो रहा है, पॉजिटिव।
Then we need to call this one as a combinational clipping. That is what another one, that is a combination of positive and negative. Okay. So if our Vs is not there, then we will be having our negative part, which is clipped off, right? If Vs is absent, then we will be having our negative part which is absent. So we will say this one is a negative clipping. But since Vs is there, due to this Vs, our positive part is also get clipped. So this is known as some kind of combinational clipping. Okay, we'll take this combinational clipping as a addition of positive and negative clipping both. We'll take out that one also. This third one, it is like that, then our diode is there. So what will be this output? So here this Vs making our diode off, same condition compared to this, or Vs making this diode off. So if we consider the whole positive half, if we consider positive half, that is minus plus minus plus, so combination of this Vi and Vs as a whole making our diode off, so whole positive half will get clipped off, whole positive half, so we'll have this positive half completely absent, sorry, this one. We'll have our positive half which is clipped off. Now coming to the negative half, this Vs making our diode off, Vs making our diode off. So when this negative will be more than Vs, when this negative will be more than Vs, then we can say our diode will be on. So let us consider this Vi is more than Vs. So what does it mean? Here the combination of Vi and Vs should be negative. The combination of Vi and Vs should be negative. So if we consider this combination, let us consider we are having this KVL over here. So this one will be minus, this one will be plus. So it is minus plus, here it is plus minus, for the negative half it is minus plus, it is minus plus. This is output. So if we apply the KVL, then what will have? The voltage across this diode. Let us consider current is not flowing, so we no need to consider this output. So what will be the voltage across this diode? So this one will be minus Vi plus Vs is equals to V, right? It is considered, okay, that should be minus Vd is equals to 0. Plus minus, sorry, that one will be plus, right? So the voltage across this Vd, that will be minus of Vs minus Vi, that is cumulative negative voltage should be applied. So to have this negative, this Vd should be negative, right? So our Vi, when it is going towards the negative half, when it is going towards the negative half, so let us start from 0. So that one will be, let us consider something 0 voltage. So I am just writing, this is about Vi, Vs is there, Vd. So we are working with V negative of Vi. So if we consider in this way, so it is plus minus. I hope this thing you understand, right? This KVL. I hope there is no problem with this.
Yes, sir.
So it is plus minus, minus plus, minus plus. Okay. As a whole, if we consider this voltage also V out, then okay, we can consider for the practical that V gamma is also there. So V gamma will be the Vd plus I into Rf. So let us consider the ideal case only, that the voltage which is applied across this diode, the voltage which is applied across this diode. So to make this diode on, our cumulative voltage should be greater than, or it should be less than minus of Vs plus V gamma. This input, if we consider this is the Vd, so if we consider here, what will be the input voltage Vi, it coming out as the minus of Vs plus Vd. So this Vi should be greater than, or it should be less than, the Vi should be less than this value. If we go beyond that, that means it is making our diode off, because the positive will be applied. So to make on, to make diode on, this Vi should be less than minus of Vs plus Vd. Okay, so we need to ensure that our Vi should be less than this value. So Vs plus Vd, or simply you just think that Vd is not there. Vd, that is the ideal diode, the knee voltage is 0, let us consider. So our Vi should be less than minus of Vs. It should be less than minus of Vs. So when this Vi will be less than minus of Vs, then only our output will came out in the load. When our Vi is less than minus of Vs. So let us consider minus of Vs is minus 2 volt. For the, I am just drawing here the input. This is what the minus of Vs is. So when our input will be less than minus of Vs, less than minus of Vs means this part, not this part, minus 1, minus or 0, something like that, then our diode will be in the on state. So we can consider that our output, this output, this value will be at the output. Same, when it is less than Vs, we will have our output, because it is less than minus Vs. So we can consider the same thing over here. Positive half completely neglected. So we can consider this is the 0, this is the output, again like this. What does it mean? To this diode we need to apply a resultant negative potential. That is what. So we need to think of that how we can overcome this Vs, because this Vs is making this diode off. The positive is connected with the negative. So our main motto is to overcome this Vs. So in the negative half, if you can say for the positive half, minus plus, it is cumulatively it is positive. So our diode will always remain off. But for the negative half, when this negative, because it is plus minus plus, so cumulative will be the difference. So when that difference will be cumulatively a negative potential, then only our diode will be in the on state. So minus plus, if you consider this is minus, it is plus. So let us consider it is 2, it is minus 2, 0. It is 2, it is minus 3, minus 1. Now our diode will be on. It is 2, it is minus 4. So it is minus 2. So in this way, when our Vi will be greater than Vs, Vi will be greater than Vs, our diode will be on, and that will be the output. Any doubt on this? Anyone having any doubt? The fourth one, only the polarity has changed. So it is 2, it is 3, 4th. So this Vs making our diode on, right? This Vs making our diode on. So if we consider the positive half, that is minus plus, plus minus, minus plus. So cumulatively the difference is been applied on the diode. So the time up to which this Vi is not at all equals to Vs, our diode will be in the on state. Just try to understand, because our Vs is making our diode on. So the moment up to which our diode is on, it will conduct and we will have our output. It will conduct and we will get our output, right? So Vs, let us consider Vi is 0. Vs is making this diode on, it is with the diode, it is supporting the diode. Now it is 1. So Vs little bit get weaker because 1 is get deducted. So still it is 2. Let us consider Vs is 3, still it is 2. So it can able to support the diode and diode is on. Again it is 2, Vi is 2, so it is 3, so 1 is there, 3, it is equals to Vs. So if we considering the ideal case, so our diode is off. So if we considering this is our Vs, the moment up to which Vi is equivalent to Vs, our diode will become off. But before that, our diode will be on. So we can say before Vi is equals to Vs, we will have our output. Before Vi is equals to Vs, that is Vi less than Vs, we will have our output. So this is 0, Vi less than Vs, our output is there up to this. When the Vi will becomes is equals to Vs, that is like this Vs, our output become 0, no output. It is same as whatever up to how much it has reached before getting off. Again when our Vi is decreasing, again it will become on, because this Vs is making this diode on. Now that will be the output, that is equals to Vs. So up to Vs we will have our output. Up to Vs we will have our output. Now for the negative half, negative half means it is plus, it is minus. So it is plus minus plus minus, so it is supporting the diode throughout the negative half. Okay, it is plus minus plus minus, so these two will get added and it is supporting the diode to remain as on. So throughout the negative half we will have our output. There is no problem with the negative half, only this part will get clipped off and we will have our like this. This is the output. This is equals to Vs. Anyone having any doubt on this? So next we will go with the parallel circuit. Parallel circuit for the positive clipping. That is, diode will be in the parallel with respect to the load. Diode will remain as parallel. So let us go with this first circuit. Some biasing voltage is connected and it is connected as parallel with the load. Load resistance you can connect, or rather you simply write down this is the output across the load, or you can connect a resistance from where you can take the output. This is our Vs. Some resistance is there. This is the input. So for the on state, this diode can be represented as, if we consider the practical diode, some knee voltage and forward resistance. Positive, negative. Some forward resistance, then our Vs. RF, Vs. This is some series resistance R. It will be V gamma. For the off state, it will be open switch. Vs is there. Output, input, some series resistance R. So we need to take out the output for the on state of the diode, or we need to check when the diode is off whether we will have any output or not. Now you just simply think, when our diode is on, the current will flow through this path. When our diode is on, the current will flow through this diode. So when this is on, this is flowing through this path because it is a low resistance path. RF forward resistance is very small. So what will be the output? Output will be simply the combination or the voltage across this node A and B. The voltage across this node, right? When the current is flowing through this path. Now when it is off, what will be the output? When it is off, where this current will flow? So if we consider a resistance is connected for taking out this output, which is somewhat a load resistance having some value, let us consider 1 kilo ohm, 2 kilo ohm, something like that. It is the RL. Okay, so when this diode is on, whole current is passing through this low resistance path. The output of this node, it is equals to V out. Now when this diode is off, no current is flowing through this path. Obviously the current will flow through this RL. This current will flow through this RL. So the whole input which has been given, it will go through this RL. We can easily collect our V out. So for the parallel circuit, either diode is on or off, irrespective of that we will have our output. So when the diode is on, we will have certain modified output. When our diode is off, we will have all the input which has been given. Okay. So when this diode, let us consider this diode is off. This diode, it is off. So voltage across this diode at this path, the voltage across this diode, when I is equals to 0. So let us consider this is the current. For this case, I is equals to 0. This means the voltage across the diode for which I is equals to 0. We need to find out. this is on state, this is off state. So if we consider this circuit initially, so the voltage across this diode, let us consider this voltage is V. Across this diode, this voltage is V. So the voltage which is applied across the diode, what will be that? So it is, let us consider for the positive half, it is minus plus, it is plus minus, plus minus. So Vi is equals to V plus Vs. Vi is equals to, let us consider, we can either take the drop across this R, or we can simply neglect that one, because some voltage will be getting dropped across this R, but there will be no influence on this diode operation. Okay, there will be no influence. So rather, if we consider, then that will be I into R, the voltage drop. So in this way the current is passing, so it will be plus minus. Okay, so this one will be Vi is equals to I into R plus V plus Vs. V is the voltage across the diode. So this V will be Vi minus I into R minus Vs. So the voltage which is applied across the diode, it is the difference between the input and all the drop and the voltage source which is been applied, Vs. The voltage which is coming across the diode, it is the difference or the part which is get subtracted after that, what is the remaining part that has been applied across the diode, that is Vi minus Vs. The main thing is that Vs is there, the biasing voltage, and as well as this I into Rf. So if R is not there, so we simply say that how much is remain after get deducted due to this Vs. Okay, so we can take out Vi over here. So to make this diode on, we must needs to ensure that our V gamma, this V gamma, it should be greater than, or our V, it should be greater than V gamma. For on state, this V should be greater than V gamma. So we can consider this Vi, it should be greater than I into R plus Vs plus V gamma. If it is off, for off state, Vi should be less than I into Rf, this is I into R plus Vs plus V gamma. Or we can also consider the drop, practically the drop is there, I into Rf, very negligible drop, I into Rf will also get added over here. Okay, this is for the off state, this is for the on state. So now we can take out the current in the on state as well. The current Vi minus this Vs plus V gamma divided by R plus Rf, we can take out, that is the current. Then by multiplying with this for the on state, that will be Vs plus V gamma into I into Rf for the on state, that will be the voltage. For the off state, whole Vi will be coming into the output. Okay, so let us draw the waveform first, that will be easy to make you understand. This is Vm, peak voltage. Our Vi should be greater than let us consider for our case, we have been neglecting this I into RF, the Vi should be greater than Vs plus V gamma. So let us consider this value is Vs plus V gamma. This level it is Vs plus V gamma, or we can consider it plus I into R. So when our input is greater than this, our diode will be on. When our input is greater than this, Vs plus V gamma, our diode will be on. Okay, otherwise our diode will remain off if it is less than this. So let us consider when this is the traces. Let us draw this one first. So what will be the output? When our diode is on, okay, before the diode is on, or when it is remain less than Vs plus V gamma, for this value from 0 to Vs plus V gamma, the diode is off. So if the diode is off, the current will directly flow through this RL, right? The current will directly flow through the RL. So what will be the input? That will be the output. Same. So if this is the level for Vs plus V gamma, Vs plus V gamma, so for this part, what will be the input? That will be the output. For this part, what will be the input? That will be the output. Okay, when it remain less than Vs plus V gamma. Now when it is equals to Vs plus V gamma, the diode is on, so the current will flow through this path. So what will be the output? The voltage across these two nodes, that will be the output, because the current is flowing through this low resistance path, right? So on this, across this node, the voltage is Vs plus V gamma. So for this period, up to how much the input remain greater than Vs plus V gamma, our output will be always remain as Vs plus V gamma. Our output will always remain as Vs plus V gamma. Now again, when it will decrease beyond that level, our output will again same as the input. So here the input, when it is less than Vs plus V gamma, it will goes on decreasing like as the input. When it is more less than Vs plus V gamma, our diode will be off. Then whatever the input, that will remain as the output. So for this one, for the negative half, the output will remain same as the input. Whole of the negative half will be coming across through this RL. Again, when it will increase and remain up to or less than Vs plus V gamma, our output will be same as the input. When it will be more than that, it will be simply the voltage across this path A and B. That is the voltage across this node A and B. Again, when it will decrease, it will be same as the input. More decreasing, it will be same as the input. Again, it is increasing, Vs plus V gamma it reached. Now it will become the voltage across node A and B. For the rest part, it will be same as the like this. Anyone having any doubt? Any doubt? Anyone having any doubt? You can ask. So on the on state, if we apply the KVL, we can take out the current, then we can easily take out the output voltage, right? So for this on state, when we are applying the KVL in the on state, this is the on state, this circuit is the on state. So let us apply the KVL on that. to the circuit under on state. Yes.
Sir, for Vi greater than Vs plus V gamma, there should be output.
Yes. The output. What will be the output? Because when it will become greater than Vs plus V gamma, our diode is on. So current will flow through. Yes.
In the graph, we showed that for less than Vs plus V gamma, there is a output.
Yes. Less than Vs plus V gamma also the output is there because our diode is off. So when the diode is off, no current will flow through the diode. Where this current will go? Through the load. Directly through the load. Just try to understand. When our diode is on, current will flow through the diode, that is through this path. When our diode is off, the current will not flow through the diode, rather it will flow through the load directly, that is through this RL.
Okay, sir.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
So if we apply this one, it is minus plus. Let us consider. So Vi is equals to IR plus V gamma plus I into RF plus Vs. So I will be Vi minus V gamma plus Vs by R plus R. So under the on state, when it will be on, at that state, what will be the output? Output will be simply the voltage across this path, the voltage across this node A and B. V out will be Vs plus V gamma into I into RF. Vs plus V gamma plus I into RF. RF, the value of I we have found. So it will be Vs plus V gamma plus Vi minus Vs plus V gamma by R plus RF into RF. Under off state, V out simply as V in, Vi. V out simply as V input. Clear? Because when the diode is off, the diode off means current will flow because it is connected in the parallel path. So when it was connected in the series path, there is only one way where the current can flow. But when it will connected as a parallel, the current having the option to move through another path. That is what it is doing. It is rather flowing through the diode, it is flowing through the load. Okay, so it is about the positive clipping. Here you can change the polarity of this Vs as well, and you can check what will be the output. So if we change the polarity of Vs, what will happen? If we change the polarity of Vs, means here the Vs will become negative, right? Vi will be V plus V minus Vs. So here this you can take out one thing. You just try to simply try to understand this Vs making your diode off, right? Because positive is connected with negative. So the time up to which the Vi is less than Vs for the positive half, if we have been considering the positive half, that time the diode will remain off. So diode remain off means the current is flowing through the load, directly through the load, rather through the diode. Okay, so we will have the output up to which the Vi is less than Vs. Now when our Vi will overcome our Vs, when Vi overcome our Vs, that time the diode will become on. So the output will be across this node A and B. So that will be the output. So what will be the output? Simply the DC value which has been connected across this node, that is Vs. If there is some knee voltage, then V gamma will also added with that. That is the simple at DC level Vs. Okay, but the diode off means the output is simply as input. Now if we change the polarity of this Vs, let us check another circuit. We are having our diode. We need to change the polarity of this Vs. So negative is there, positive is there, and we are having an load RL. Let us consider this is the output, this is the input, some series resistance R. So for this case what will happen? Vs, the voltage across this diode V, this Vs is making the diode on, right? This Vs making the diode on. So if we connect, or if we say this is the node A and B, right? So let us check the output. Now here the Vs, if we consider this is plus minus, if we have been connecting the multimeter terminal, this one anode, this one cathode, so according to this configuration Vs is negative, right? Vs is negative. So somewhere here, let us consider this is the minus Vs level, but this Vs is making our diode on, right? So the input which has been applied for the positive half, it is also supporting the diode, it is also supporting the diode. So for the positive half, it is minus plus is connected with the anode of the diode, so it is on. So with the starting of the input, when input was 0, that time also our diode was on, because the person who has been making the diode on, that is our Vs. Vs is there, who has been supporting this diode from the very beginning, before the input is arrived. Input was arrived. Okay. So if we start our journey from this 0 value, our diode is on. Our diode is on. So the diode on means the output will be across the node A and B, whatever the voltage is connected over there. Simply that one. So if we consider this is plus, this is minus, this is minus, this is plus. So what will be the voltage across that? Plus minus, minus plus. So let us consider this is 0.7, it is minus 2. So 0.7 minus 2, it is 1.3. What is 1.3? Minus 1.3. So from the very beginning itself, the output will remain as minus 1.3. Let us consider this is the for the whole positive half up to this. That will remain as a simple DC level, a simple DC voltage of minus, what is that? V gamma minus Vs. At DC level, V gamma minus Vs. Now, when this Vi has changed its polarity for the negative half, that means it become positive, it become negative. So what will be the voltage? What will be the voltage coming across this point A and B? What will be that voltage? So it is plus minus, it is minus plus. Now the input we have started from 0. Vs is there, it is still supporting the diode to remain as on, so our diode will on. So our output will be whatever the voltage across this node A and B. Now the moment when this Vi, it is plus minus minus plus, the difference between these two will be negative, cumulatively negative, our diode will be off, right? When this one is positive to negative, this one, it is, if we considering for this negative half, if we apply the KVL, let us consider, okay, I am just taking this the current direction, so it will be plus minus. So plus minus Vi plus minus IR, it is plus minus V gamma minus plus Vs. Minus plus means minus, Vs is equals to 0. Okay. So let us consider it is Vd. Okay. So Vd will be Vs minus of Vi plus I into R, or if we neglect this one, this I into R for our ease of calculation, this Vd will be Vs minus Vi. So to make our diode off, we need to apply a cumulative negative voltage across this node A and B. So our Vs is there, so we need to come out with certain Vi so that this Vd will be negative. So we have started our journey from 0, we are going down 1, 2, 3. The moment it is greater than Vs, the cumulative voltage will become negative. The cumulative voltage will become negative. So our diode will become off. The moment diode will off, we will have our output through the RL. Okay. So before the diode off, the current will flow through this diode and we will have our output. Let us consider this is the Vs level. So up to this Vs, we will have our output same as whatever is been connected. Whatever is connected, like this. The moment at which the Vi is greater than Vs, we will have our output same as the input, like this. Here also we can take out something like this. This is the output. Means this is the first cycle up to which our diode is always on, because this Vs is continuously supporting, then again the Vi has extended his hand to make this diode on, so obviously the diode will remain on throughout the positive half, so current will flow through this diode. But this Vs will be coming at the output. So Vs is negative here, so we will have our Vs. So difference is there, we can take out Vs minus V gamma minus Vs. Now the moment at which this Vi is greater than Vs, so you just think something like that, this negative is connected here, positive is connected, that means our diode is in the forward bias. Now there may be certain situation when this part will have more negative compared to this Vs, then also it will be in the reverse bias. So for the reverse bias, what we know, that negative of the diode will be connected with the positive and positive will be connected with the negative. That will be the reverse bias. But the reverse bias can also be achieved if our anode of the diode is connected with more negative compared to the cathode of the diode. That is also reverse bias. So that is what is happening here. The A node, when it is having quite higher negative compared to this V node, the diode is in the off state. So the moment the diode is off state, for which our Vi is greater than Vs, the output will start flowing through this load. The output will flow through this load and the output will be same as the input. This is the input, this is the output. It will be same as the input. Any doubt on this? Anyone? Anyone having any doubt? Third circuit, that is parallel circuit for the negative clipping. So it is also positive as well as negative clipping. That is the combinational clipping, we can say. It is positive also get clipped off, negative is also get clipped off. Now the polarity of the diode has changed, or it has been connected reverse, and the biasing voltage is also present. The load is there, RL. This is the V output, V in. Okay, so we need to take out the output. So for the on state, we can represent this one. We'll find out the condition for the on state. Let us draw this circuit under on state. Forward resistance RF, negative of the diode, positive of the diode, then negative of Vs, positive of the Vs. I, it is our RL, RF, V gamma, Vs, R, V out. Under off state, diode is off, open circuit. This is Vs. It is off state, it is on state. So you will find that this Vs which is present in the circuit, it is making this diode off in the reverse bias. So initially before the input is applied, diode is in the off state, means diode is sleeping. It is not at all active. So it is not at all been taking concern about the current flow, whether it has been flowing through it or somewhere else, because it is sleeping, because this Vs is there. Vs is making this diode to remain in the sleeping state, that is in the off state. So Vs before this Vi, due to this Vs, the output will be same as the input. The output will be same as the input. So if we take this input, let us consider some more like this. Let us consider this is, if we consider polarity like that, so our Vs will be negative. So let us consider this is the level of the Vs, or cumulatively we can consider for the on state it is minus plus minus plus, so it will be minus of Vs plus V gamma. Let us consider for the on state, so it will be Vs plus V gamma, this level. Okay. So for the positive half, when it is minus, it is plus, our diode is off, but for the positive half also it will be in the off state, because the positive of the input has been connected with the cathode of the diode. So our diode will be in the off state. Our diode will be in the off state always for the positive half. So we can consider up to this positive half, the time up to which the positive half will be there, it will be in the off state. So all of the positive half will be arrived at the output, all of the positive half. Now if we going into the negative half, means it has just changed its polarity, minus plus. Let us consider this point 0. This Vs is continuously making this diode slip. You just slip, I will be there, I am just guarding the situation. So Vs is standing and the diode is taking the rest. So diode is sleeping. So while it is sleeping, the output will be through the RL. So up to Vs, up to this Vs, the output will be through the RL, because this Vs is making this diode off. So if we consider this is the level, that is minus Vs plus V gamma, it is sleeping, the output has been flowing through the load. Now the moment at which this negative will be less than the negative of the cathode, what does it mean? We have applied a more negative in the cathode compared to the negative in the anode of the diode. So what does it mean? We can say that anode is connected with the positive, because the negative of the anode is lesser negative compared to the negative of the cathode. So one negative is less than another negative. So we can consider cumulatively or equivalently that the cumulative negative which has been quite more in the cathode and some positive has been applied at the anode, because the cathode is having connected with more negative compared to the anode of the diode, which has been connected with a fixed positive negative supply voltage source. So the moment at which this cathode will have the higher negative, the diode will be in the on state. Now it has wake up. The excitation which has been coming from this input, the moment at which Vs will be less than Vi. So when this diode will be on, the current now it will flow through this diode. So what will be the output? The voltage across this node, the voltage across this node, that is, it is minus plus minus plus, minus of Vs plus V gamma. So it will maintain a constant level of Vs plus V gamma, and when again it will be greater than this, that is, the negative value is decreasing, now again it will go into the sleeping state, that is in the off state. Now again whatever the input, that will directly flow through the output. Again whole of the positive half will be coming at the output, then a constant value, then whole of the positive half, like this. Clear? Any doubt? So that is negative clipping. So let us do the analysis. So under the on condition, on state, the voltage across the diode, this voltage V, that will be, it is for the positive half, if we consider minus plus, it is minus plus, it is minus plus. So we can write minus plus if we consider as plus, so Vi plus Vs plus V is equals to 0. So what will be that V? V will be minus of Vi plus Vs. So for the on state, this V should be greater than V gamma. This V should be greater than V gamma. So what will be that Vi? Vi, the V is, I am just writing here, minus of Vi plus Vs, it should be greater than V gamma. So what will be this Vi? Vi, it should be less than minus of Vs plus V gamma for on state. So under on state, what will be the current? We can apply the KVL here in this circuit. We can apply the KVL. So let us consider the current. What we know, the current is flowing through anode through the cathode. So let us take the direction of the current like this, in this way, for our better understanding, because we know the current is flowing through anode to the cathode of the diode. Okay, so applying the KVL. So if we have been considering for the on state, this is minus, this is plus, so it is plus minus, current is flowing plus minus, it is plus minus, right? So plus, everything is plus, right? So that will be Vs plus V gamma plus I into Rf plus I into R plus Vi is equals to 0, right? So what will be this I? I will be minus of Vi plus Vs plus V gamma by R plus Rf. Okay, so therefore the output for the on state, the output will be simply the voltage across this node A and B. Simply the voltage across the node A and B. So the voltage across the node is Vs plus V gamma plus I into Rf. So if we consider this is positive for the multimeter which we have connected, so that will be coming out as negative. So that one will be, if the current is flowing like this, so that one will be minus of Vs, minus of V gamma plus I into Rf. So I we have been found as negative, right? So this V out will be minus of Vs plus V gamma. If we put a value of this I, that will be minus of I into Rf. So minus plus minus, that will be plus. So that will be Vs plus V gamma plus Vi into Rf by R plus Rf for on state, that is Vi less than minus of Vs plus V gamma. Again for the off state, it will be simply Vi for Vi greater than minus of Vs plus V gamma. Again, if our RF is quite less than R, then we can take out this one as 1. Okay. Now again let us check by changing the polarity of this Vs. By changing the polarity of this Vs. Positive, negative. This is the RL, the output which we are considering here. So here Vs is making this diode on always, even the input is not applied. So the input like this, let us consider. Now the Vs is plus according to our multimeter polarity which we have been connected at the output ports, output terminal. The Vs is plus. So let us consider this is the Vs level. This is the Vs level. This Vs is making this diode on. Right? Vs is making this diode on. So when the Vi is 0, Vi here this value, our diode is on. Vi is 1 volt, diode is on. So diode is on means the current will flow through this path, that is across the node A and B. Okay. So the moment at which the diode will off, the output will be same as the input. That is what we know. When the diode is on, the voltage will be coming out at the output simply at the voltage which is across the node A and B. So diode on. Diode on means the voltage across this node A and B, that is Vs. So that is the voltage. That is the level Vs. That is the voltage. Right? Now the moment at which this Vs will be smaller than Vi. So what does it mean? Some positive has been connected with anode, another positive has been connected with anode, cathode. But this Vi is less than this Vs. So we can consider one positive is less than another positive. So means we can consider one is quite negative. So it is negative comparatively to this Vs. The moment up to which this Vi is less than Vs, we can say this is in the negative, some lesser value. That is on. Now when this positive is more than this positive, our diode will goes into the off state. So the moment at which the diode will be in the off state, we will have the output simply as the input, like this. Again, this is the output. The moment at which this is less compared to Vs, Vi is less compared to Vs, we will have the output simply as the voltage which is across node A and B. Okay. Now what will happen for the negative half? What will happen for the negative half? So for the negative half, this voltage across this node will be applied always a negative potential. So a negative potential if applied across the cathode, the diode will always in the on state. The diode will always in the on state. Right? So when the diode will be in the on state, the output will be same as the input. So not as the input, the voltage which has been across this node A and B. Right? Now the potential, the polarity of this input has changed it is negative. So negative is applied across the cathode, one positive is always connected with the anode. That means it will remain on throughout the negative half. So throughout the negative half we will be having a constant output simply as Vs. Again, for the positive half it will remain on the moment at which the Vi will be greater than Vs. When the Vi greater than Vs, the diode will be off in the positive half and we will have the output simply as the input. Right? So here the moment Vi will overcome Vs, the diode will remain on. The moment up to which the moment when this input will be less than Vs, that the time the diode will be on. But in the positive half, when the Vi will overcome Vs, that is Vi is more positive compared to the Vs, the diode will be off. Then we will have the output simply as the input. But for the negative half or for the positive half, the moment up to which the Vi will remain less than Vs, the diode will remain in the on state. So it will has the constant output which is been across the node A and B. Clear? Any doubt, anyone up to this? Anyone having any doubt? Next, though it is also a combinational clipper, positive clipping as well as negative clipping, but it is not at all the equal amount of clipping in the both side, right? So particularly we will say when the equal amount of clipping will exist in the positive half as well as the negative half, that is what the combinational clipping. So one diode will take the positive clipping as well as will take the negative clipping. The two diode will come for the combinational clipping, ideal circuit which we will take for the equal amount of clipping for the both side. Okay, so let us take the input. So here we need to consider two diodes, one is for the positive, one is for the negative. So you will find for this positive half, for the positive half, D1 will be on and D2 will be off. Though this Vs is making this diode off, we will consider that one later, but we need to think something like that. For the positive half, D1 is on and D2 will be off, but not at all throughout this positive half, because Vs is still there. It is having certain influence. It is saying yes, I am there, just try to have a look on me. So D1 for the positive half, if Vs1 and Vs2 are absent, so we can consider that for the positive half D1 will be on and D2 will be off, and for the negative half D2 will be on and D1 will be off. So let us check. Now when Vi is positive, that is for the positive half, this Vs1 making this diode off, this Vs1 making this diode off. So this positive, this D2 will be off because negative has been connected and again some negative has been coming, so it will be off, right? So whole of the output will be across this RL, right? So let us consider this is the level of Vs1. We can consider V gamma also, V gamma 1 and V gamma 2, so plus V gamma 1 will be coming, and this will be the level for the minus of Vs2. This is the minus, comparing this is plus, this is minus. Okay, so this Vs1 is making this diode off when we have started our journey from 0 in the Vi. So when we have been reaching from 0 to Vs1, the diode will be in the off state. So off state means the output will flow through this RL. Nothing, this D2 will be also off because this Vs2 is making this diode off. Okay, so this RL will be the voltage across this RL, that will be the output. So if this is the Vs2 level, this is the Vs1 level, so the output like this, up to which Vi will not overcome Vs1. That is, when we will be greater than Vs1 in the input, when we will be greater than Vs1 in the input, the output will be same as the input. Now when Vi is greater than Vs1, our diode will be on, so the current will flow through this path. So when the current will be flow through this path, the output will be across the voltage which is Vs1. So that will be the output is equals to Vs1. Again it is less than Vs1, the output will be simply as the input. Now coming to the negative half. For the negative half, this diode D1 will be in the off state. This Vs2 is also making this diode D2 off, right? So we have been going up to Vs2. The moment at which this negative Vi will be greater than Vs2, our diode will on. This is more negative compared to this negative, more negative compared to this negative. So our diode will be on. So the moment the diode will be on, the current will flow through this path and the voltage will be the voltage across the node C and D. The voltage across the node C and D. So this is the constant value of the output, that is Vs2. Again it is less than, we will have the output simply as the input. Again we will have the output simply as the input, then constant value Vs1 output, then Vs2 constant value Vs2, like this. So here we are having the equal amount of clipping if we consider Vs1 and Vs2 are same, right? If we consider Vs1 and Vs2 are same, we are having the equal amount of clipping in the both side. So for this case, for here our D1 on, D2 off, up to this, here D2 on, D1 off, but for this part D1 and D2 both of them are off. Same for this part, for this part, for this part, as well as this part. D1, D2 both of them are off. Here everywhere you will find both of them are off, D1 and D2 off. This is the part as well as this part as well as this part. Both of them are off. Understand? Any doubt? It is simply the combination of positive clipping as well as negative clipping. Any doubt? Anyone having any doubt?